guys, this is the AOC. This is the Q27B2S2. It's a 27-inch monitor with a Quad HD. Quad HD is actually better than the Full HD. Yeah? Quad HD is 2K. Got this IPS wide view, and it's 100 Hertz. I bought it at only around 500 ringgit, so it's, to me, it's a steal. Yeah, 500 ringgit for a 2K monitor. Instructions are all here. This is the warranty brochure. You have a manual here, pretty thick. Quick start guide, pretty simple, just 4 diagrams. Power cable here, an HDMI cable, the brick, the brick for the power supply. This is the stand for the monitor. Looks okay, it's plastic, but to me it's alright. And put this here. Okay, pretty simple, yeah. So just take this out. Oops, I think it just locked in. So from the back you can see that there's 4 places for you to put the screws on. That's the Versa BESA. Yeah, I think it's about 10 cm each. That's the standard. And this is the HDMI input and the DVI input, display port, and there's a headphone port or earphone. And this is the power, obviously. And you see it from the front, the bezel is really thin, but of course I have not on it yet. Then later we'll get to see it again. This is in matte black, and the design is nothing to shout about. It's just a square with rounded corners. So yeah, not bad actually. There's not much reflections. So I reserved some space here for the monitor, and hopefully it's just nice enough for me to put on. Yeah, put in the HDMI cable first. Yeah, maybe I should. This is the power brick. I call it power brick. Okay, power supply cable. Doesn't matter which way. Here, the HDMI cable. There you go. Put it on top here. Whoa. And nothing yet. Oh, okay. I don't want to erase this. Display settings. And let's identify. This is 1 out of 2. And let's not duplicate. Let's just extend the display. I'll keep the changes. So this is an additional screen for me now. Can I just position this way? Yeah, I can. The scale is now set to 125. Yep, just nice. Yes. Can I watch this? Demon Slayer? Let's see. So the color is good, and let's see if I can do this in full screen. But the gradients are slowly degrading from this bright to the darker side, so it's nice. It's nice. Oh, nice. Very, 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 very nice. 100 Hertz. The 27-inch Quad HD. So it comes with this IPS panel with a Quad HD resolution, which is 2K. And this is how exactly it looks like right now. The base is pretty simple, and the color is pretty accurate, yeah, for my eyes, yeah. And It comes with this adaptive sync, 3-side frameless sticker, kind of, yeah. The bezel is pretty thin. I think this is less than a cm, of course. I think it's about 55 mm. Is it 5 mm around there? I think so. This is slightly thicker. This is more than a cm. So it's just 3 sides, frameless, flicker free, and low blue mode. I don't think I want that. I don't want my screen to be a bit bluish, although it's better for my eye, but I won't be looking at it for hours anyway. And this is a quad HD, so full HD, quad HD, somewhere in between the 4K and the full HD. So but for me, at this close, I think this is good enough. And it's designed with wide viewing angles, yeah, 178 degrees. So I'm trying it now, and let's see if I can move you guys to watch it, to see it with me. Yeah, pretty nice. Still okay, right? Yeah. And how about this side? This is okay as well. So I think the viewing angle is nice, yeah, for this for this AOC monitor. And screen tearing, I don't play games, so no difference for me, but I guess this will be good for those who play games. And see clearly, I think it's talking about this, yeah. And when you actually put another one, exactly the same one, side by side, then you have a very minimal interference, yeah. But I think this is still quite thick, yeah, if you ask me. If you just put next to it side by side, you still, if this is 5 mm, you get another 5 mm here. That's about 1 cm. And of course, this is the protect the flicker. This, I don't think you need to enable or disable it. It's already there. But from my eyes here, I don't see any flickers at all, yeah. Reducing blue light output for healthier, okay. Should I on it? I don't know. Later I'll take a look. And this is the connectivities, HDMI, and also display port, the DVI. Yeah, I think that's about it, you know, for the specs we are looking at now. So let's check out this part, yeah. That is, let's see, I can feel one. The first one is a power, so I can off it, on it, and you get to see the same screen again. And the second one is to come out with this. I'm clicking on the same button. It just show me this. I think the toggle one would be much better to use. Yeah, if you, I've seen some monitors with a toggle behind, left, right, up, down, then a center button. That's easier to use. Yeah, I think there's definitely HDR there. You get to see the brightness on the biscuit. It's actually quite popping, eye-popping, yeah. Looks pretty good to me, yeah. There you go. This looks so much better, right? Yeah, in terms of the details and so on. So alright, I think that's about it. In my next video, I will tell you why I chose this monitor, yeah. And that's it, guys. That's the unboxing, setup, and short review on this. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. So guys, let's go to the display again. Display settings and this monitor. And I'm going to adjust the advanced display. And I have an AMD Radeon graphic cards in my laptop, and it's now showing just 60 Hertz, yeah. So I'm going to change it to, yeah, the most I get is 75. Yeah, I'm going to change it to 75. I'm going to keep the setting so I don't get 100 hertz. Yep, I am not sure why, but most likely it's because of my laptop here that doesn't support it. Yep, so 100 hertz is actually not that useful for me, but I think it's good enough. Yeah, maybe it's a future-proof thing as well, because if I have a better PC or laptop later on, I will still get 100 hertz. So